All right, good evening, everyone. This is Joe Criado from Engineering 100 Intro to Engineering. I apologize for the late submittal of this video. I know it's really late. It's probably like 11 o'clock right now. But I want to get this in, and today I will be talking about the tool selection for our final project. Earlier this semester, we touched on this, and I found it really interesting that we were able to discuss at least a little bit in part of 3D printing technology. I recently discovered that a coworker of mine has a 3D printer to utilize for work purposes. Now, my partner in question is a bomb tech. He's a bomb squad guy, and they're able to print out, recreate parts and pieces for the manufacturing and stuff for the training purposes. Now, what he tells me is that this allows them to recreate this stuff at a much cheaper cost, something like 20% cheaper. So it allows them to train and get acclimated a little bit better to what they're going for, which is basically blowing stuff up for a living. So anyway, it got me thinking. 3D printing technology. If we're able to recreate pretty much anything technological, what's stopping us from recreating prosthetics, possibly bones and limbs for our combat veterans coming home? Unfortunately, many of these guys coming home, they're coming home with physical disabilities. The unfortunate problem with going into combat is sometimes you lose a limb, you lose, fingers, arms, legs, whatever, and it's gone forever. So that's what we talk about today. Maybe we can get into recreating this stuff for our guys coming home. And again, what interested me is basically there really is unlimited potential for creating anything, any piece of technology. So, and again, like I said, if we can do it for anything technological, why can't we do it for, bone structure? With an accurate scan, an accurate plan, we should be able to recreate anything that was destroyed or damaged. It gives us the ability to recreate anything. I would say anything, hopefully be anything. Combine that with CAD. Using CAD, we're able to get some pretty precise measurements. We can redesign products. We can create prototypes. And again, like my partner once told me that they're able to recreate parts and pieces at a much lower cost than having to go out and purchase these things brand new. And based on the research I've done, everything is done in a timely manner. So that kind of stuff, that's always a plus for people. Speaking of scanning, I don't remember where I found this picture. Do a little bit of research, and I found this picture somewhere. I wish I could remember where I found it. Basically, looks like a pool table. It is a body scanner. Imagine, as morbid as it sounds, being a military guy, getting ready to go into combat. Now, I myself was in the Marine Corps, and you start to think these morbid things, coming home alive and coming back, missing this, missing that. So imagine being prepared, getting your entire body scanned and held on file. Basically, they can keep a copy of your body. That way, like I said, our veterans come home. They've got all these medical problems, missing limbs, stuff like that. What if you're able to keep a copy of a scan of your leg or scan of your arms, that where you come home, you're missing that, they can recreate another one and go from there. Maybe science and technology later on will allow us to recreate tissue, something like that, and lo and behold, maybe we can, place another arm, another leg, another toe, anything like that, to replace it for you. Imagine that. Right now, my goal is to see if we can design, see if we can come up with a plan or something to that effect, or we're able to use CAD and 3D print technology to create this stuff. Create limbs, create bones, create prosthetics for our permanently disabled combat veterans. And right now I'm also trying to find a partner. So ideally, hopefully I can find somebody that works well with CAD. Earlier this semester, I had my own failures working with CAD. I think I was only able to make one of the examples. So hopefully I can find somebody that has the same interest as I do. However, works with CAD a little bit better than I do. So any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to shoot me an email, comment on this, and let me know what you guys think. Otherwise, good luck, everybody. Have a good night, and we'll see how we all do for this final. Take care.